welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby Violet. I am so glad you guys are back, and if you're new here, welcome. So typically I like to do fashion and luxury and vlog videos, and every so once in a while I'll put in a little beauty video, and so that's what I'm doing today. Today I am doing a get ready with me, a daily makeup routine, and also how to put these extensions in for beginners, because I have never put on extensions. I never needed to. Today I am doing a collaboration with Irresistible Me. This is not a sponsored video, and they asked to send me extensions to give it a try and review it and let you guys know what I think of it. And guys, like, I've never needed extensions my whole life, and if you follow me for a long time, you saw that I like completely damaged my hair last year. I tried to do balayage, and some girl, beauty lady, long story short, my hair became like orange and yellow, and it was a mullet, and it was like a lion. I don't know, it was just so weird. So I will try to see if I can find a picture and insert a picture here. I have this past year been constantly cutting my hair, my dry damaged hair, just to get it back to the original black, as you can see on the top, and then I still have a little bit on the bottom, which I've been trying to fix. But yes, so I've never needed it, and I'll insert a picture of what my natural hair looks like long. It's usually long and like this. Actually, this looks like real tabby. Some of you longtime subscribers will know that. So when Irresistible Me asked to send their hair extensions, I was like, yes, please, because Tabby misses her long hair. I love the short hair, but I miss the long hair. So before I chat too much, I just wanted to say I am completely like in love with these extensions. They're super long, which you can, this is real hair, so you can cut it, you can dye it, you can pretty much do everything that you want to do with it. This is my hair but better. Like, it's so soft and luxurious. Just keep on watching to see my daily makeup routine. If you want to fast forward and go straight to the Irresistible Me putting on my hair extensions and the before and after, here's the time mark, and I will talk more about the hair extensions and what my thoughts are. But as you can see, I mean, you can kind of gauge how much I like these hair extensions. So this was my fault, because honestly, like, my hair is like damaged, but if you can see, the hair from Irresistible Me matches my real hair. Alright, so if you want to see my daily makeup routine and how I put on these extensions for beginners and my thoughts, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get started into the Irresistible Me hair extensions. I just want to say thank you so much for sending me these hair extensions. Irresistible Me is a young brand that focuses on really amazing clip-in hair extensions, hair tools, hair accessories, and hair care and wigs. There are two options for their hair extensions, the Silky Touch and the Royal Remy, and I will leave the website down below so you can really fully read into it, but I ordered the 100% human Remy hair, and it is thick and luxurious, and it is real hair that you can cut, dye, and do what you normally do with regular hair. I ordered the Natural 1B, Natural Black. And as you can see on the left side, there is a small little packet that you can open up the hair and compare it to your hair. If it doesn't suit your hair, then don't open the other bigger package and you can return it. But as you can see, it really does match my natural hair. I ordered the Natural Black in 1B, 24 inches, which was quite long for me, but the great thing is that I can cut it. And I also ordered 260 grams because I have super thick hair, and that was like plenty for my hair. So what I really like about it is that you have the option to choose the color of your hair, the length, and also the thickness. So as you can see, it really matches my hair very well. And also, it's my fault that my hair was dyed on the bottom, so it doesn't blend as well, but once I chop all that off, it's going to blend amazing with my natural hair. I do have a discount code for you guys that will be applied during non-sale times. So during sale times, the discount will be applied when you purchase, but when there's no sale, you definitely can use my code forever. And yeah, look how soft it is. And really what's cool about Remy is they have this 4-clip option for their hair extension, so that can be ordered separately. It gives your hair a fuller look, and as you can see, there's just 3 clip-ins, 2 clip-ins. I will leave the link down below so you can see all the details, but I love it. And if you want to continue to see how I put on the hair extensions, then keep on watching. There are hair tutorials online. I'm not an expert, so just keep on watching how I did it. I kind of just played it by ear, and I did the 4 width on the bottom and then put it in spots that I thought I needed it. Alright guys, what did you think? Did you like it? I actually had a really fun time filming this makeup video and these extensions. I feel like a mermaid. I feel like real Tabby again. Anyways guys, I was gonna curl my hair to show you guys how I can even blend even more, but honestly, like I'm really feeling this like straight hair, so I didn't really curl it, but as you can see, I love like the layers in it. If I did curl it, it would blend even more, but honestly, I'm just loving the straight look, so I'm just gonna keep it this way. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!